First, open your browser. Open Xmouse download page. You will find its link in the description. Choose Xmouse control application. Then at latest version, download the file. Then open it. Open Xmouse application. Click buttons on your mouse to detect it here. I'll change button 4, button 5, and middle button as clipboard, backspace, and enter. First, choose simulated keys. Choose key from combo box. To open clipboard, Windows button and V letter. I'll type V manually from keyboard. From combo box, choose backspace. Now for middle button, search for enter. I found it on numeric keypad. Press apply. Close it, and let's test. As you can see, I can erase and tap enter from mouse. As I can copy and paste items by opening clipboard. Don't forget to support us.